Hey everyone, in today's video we'll see about how to make your large language models to get smarter with the help of Retrieval-Augmented Reasoning or RAR. Let's go step by step and build a working demo. RAR stands for Retrieval-Augmented Reasoning, as I said before. Instead of asking a model like GPT to remember everything, we first retrieve the relevant information from an external source, like documents or knowledge base, and then let the model reason using that information. Let's start with a small sample of facts. These could be your documents or Wikipedia snippets or even product manuals. We use model called All Mini LM L6 version 2 to convert each document into a numerical format called an embedding. These embeddings capture the meaning of the text in a way a computer can understand. Then we store these embeddings in a FAISS index, a superfast search engine for vector data. This helps us retrieve the most relevant document quickly. When a user asks a question, we convert the query to an embedding and search for the top 2 relevant documents in our FAISS index. We give GPT only the retrieved context and ask it to answer the question. This makes a model more efficient and accurate, especially with domain-specific information. When I give the context, it gives me an output example. The Eiffel Tower is located in Paris. The model picks up the relevant line and answers exactly what we need. RAR systems have 2 big advantages. They don't need to memorize everything. They can reason over fresh or custom data. But they do rely on having good retrieval quality. If the right documents aren't fetched, the answer might still be wrong. This entire demo can be run in Google Colab. Feel free to expand it, add your own documents, switch to local models, or build a chatbot out of it. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.